Happy weekend. I'm filming this on a Friday, but I think I'm posting it on Saturday, like pre-filming. What? Who am I? But today we have my Boxyluxe from Boxycharm. Usually I get my regular Boxycharm box at the same time as my Boxycharm Premium, but every 3 months the Boxyluxe replaces the regular Boxycharm or the base box. And unless it's outside my door, which I don't think it is, I have not received any tracking information even from Boxycharm Premium. So we're just gonna open the Luxe today. So it's about $50. It comes out to be, I think that's right, yeah, because the regular Boxycharm is $25, and then they add like another 25 or something, I don't know. And then the Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. I do have a referral link, like everyone who subscribes to Boxycharm is not affiliated, but I do get like some charms if you sign up through my link. I will leave that down below if you're interested in subscribing. So yeah, this is a seasonal box. It is considered like beauty and lifestyle. You usually get like 1 or 2 lifestyle items. All the other Boxycharm boxes are purely makeup. Seems really heavy and jam-packed. Let's see what's inside. But before we get started, whoa, hyper cat. Have you ever seen a cat like try and run away? I don't know what she was running from, but like on hardwood floors, she was like sliding around. Oh baby, are you okay? I guess before I get started, I should tell you I have a cat named Emmy. She's adorable. I love her. She's a little calico. And my name happens to be Kitty. And I love subscription boxes. If you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. Speaking of cats, I've had a cat hair like on my nose all day, and every time I try and get it off, I can't find it. So if you see me doing this, I'm not picking my nose. I'm picking for cat hair. Let's see what we got. This is what it looks like. Okay, so you get to choose 1 item, maybe 2 for Boxyluxe, and I remember one thing I chose, because I couldn't remember at first if I chose anything, because I forget sometimes, or I just forget what I chose. Story of the channel, I forget. No, I'm just kidding. Fall Luxe is the theme, so I like that better. It's like sometimes they have the randomest themes. I'm like, what does that have to do with the things inside? I don't know. Okay, so my variation is 412, I think. I heard someone say it. I'm like, maybe that's how you do it. So, or C2109412LX for the Luxe. So list out all the items here and have the pricing. I'm just gonna put that over here. But the thing I'm really excited about that I chose is by Rare Beauty. So Selena Gomez's brand. And look, even the packaging is cute. Are those crystal? Ooh. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty and reflective. And this is the Magnetic Spirit palette, inspired by the light and energy that surrounds each of us. These chromatic shades let you build captivating and illuminating eye looks that reflect your true aura. Love that kind of shit, you guys. I know there's 2 options. Oh, look, it says, you are rare. Can you just read that? There are 2 options, like color stories to choose from, and I remember struggling, like I didn't know what one I wanted, because I think one of them I heard Tati recently like rave about, and the other one just called to me more, and I think I went with the one that called to me more, but we shall see. Look how pretty this matches the outside. Oh my god, it's really reflective. I don't even have any lights on. I'm just using the camera, like no artificial lights. I do have my light on the ceiling. Last video I filmed, I forgot to turn it on, or I turn it off because there's a fan. I don't know. I have really high ceilings. I don't know how to like do it separate, like just the light or just the fan. Anyway. I still don't remember if this is the one Tati. I think she went with the other one, more neutral palette was the one she was raving about. Or I don't know, it could have been this one because she really liked a bronze shade, but I love the size of this palette. The pan sizes are still huge, like it can take an eternity to pan, but like the mirror is nice and it stays open. You guys, this looks beautiful. Oh man, I got a vaccination yesterday and it hurts to use my arm. Okay. I'm going to Barcelona in like 6 weeks or something, so I gotta get on top of that stuff. They're all shimmers, I think. Okay, let's see. Ooh. These purples. It's good. There's 6 shades, so let me do a little swatcheroo. I don't know why I say it like that, but oh yeah, that one was definitely a topper. Oop. Oop. Yeah, oop. Why am I saying that? Oop, oop, oop. Oop. Okay, can you tell I'm in a good mood? Okay. So here are our shades. Hopefully they look as good on camera as they do here, but the real test will be when I put it on my eye. Oh, I just love swatching and I'm looking at all the pretty fingers and swatches and I love it. I'm really excited because I think I've only heard good things about Rare Beauty. Like I know a lot of people like their blushes. I have a little one. It is really good. They're pigmented, but I like a lighter color. It's really pretty. I need to find it. All my makeup is still packed away. I look down because they're like in bins, like separated by category. But I need to put them away. So I've just been like using whatever's in my makeup bag. There's like a bin of palettes out too. You can see there. I just couldn't find the top to that one. I haven't even dug through there, but clean my fingers. Whoa, there is a huge contour palette by Cab Cosmetics, which by the way, I've been loving the lip oil. I think it was from Boxycharm. I mean, if not, it was probably Ipsy, right? But I've been really liking that, and fear just came over my mind. Every time I film now, excuse me, it's weird. I'm like, is my mic on? It is. But look at this. Okay, let's get it out. But this is Don't Be Tardy for the Party Ladies brand. Don't be tardy for the party. Ooh. I might be going to a party. Well, it's like a memorial. I should save this part for my vlog channel, but I have vlog channel now, you guys. I vlogged earlier today. This is my third time filming. So yeah, I'll save that. But meeting the BF's people for the first time. I hope they like me. Ooh. These are huge. Oh my god. A lot of these shades, like, okay, here. Like, there's just a white, like, translucent shade. Vanilla Bean, like, there's a banana powder, nude. Like, so I think more like this side would work for me, but these could be, like, bronzers and contours, maybe. I'm excited to try this out, actually, because I'm not dissing the Real Housewives. Like, she makes good makeup, I think. And she always does her makeup really well, so, like, you know, people like that, I like when they come out with makeup brands. Wow, there's still a decent amount left, you guys. I grabbed a makeup wipe, and I didn't even really clean my fingers. Too excited. I'm going to keep this on there for now. What is this? The New Company. Okay, I've received multiple things for this brand, and I have yet to try anything. I always give it away. I usually give this brand to, like, my mom and dad, because I feel like they deserve, like, the bougier, nice skincare, because they're, like, they made me. They're awesome. But, and this brand just seems good from what I've read about it, like, and stuff, but wait, is this for inside your mouth? Inside your mouth? Did it say ashwagandha? Did I just make that up? Defense Drops Herbal Supplement. Your first line of defense. Echinacea. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I forget sometimes how to say it. And astragalus. So this is for immune function. So 1 dropper full every day by mouth, right? Interesting. I'm going to keep this one then. I'm going to look into it more. If you guys don't know, I do have my doctorate in pharmacy, so I can read labels pretty well. I'm like, I understand stuff pretty well. A lot of these types of things, like it says even on here, it's not evaluated by the FDA, and they don't teach you in school, like, really about, I did take elective to learn about supplements and stuff, because I'm interested in it, and I just thought it was important to know as a PharmD, but point being, I still have to do research before I can just, like, rattle off what I think about it right now. So I can't imagine what the average person thinks, since there's not much out there, since it's not been studied as much, but hopefully now there's some more studies coming out as time goes on. But what is this cute little thing? Look at Dew of the Gods Froze High HYA Hya Activated Lip Scrub. Oh my god, I kind of want it to be like a treat. I don't know why. I don't think we've ever gotten food in a Boxycharm. I just gotta spit there, a little excited. So this is a lip scrub. It's so pretty in this packaging. I actually don't mind this because I don't know if I have any lip scrubs at the moment. I did have one in my shower, like that's usually where I like to use this because it's a little messy. Just use it like once a week on my lips. But when I was moving, I kind of just tossed everything that was like almost empty or like opened that was in my fridge. In my fridge too, I guess, but in my refrigerator. Oh my god, my shower. It's like nap time, you guys. It's like 2 p.m. I've been at it all day. We have some lashes by MAC. These look really like full and fluffy. I always say this. I have like a few pairs of lashes and I've never actually tried them in like years since my last attempt. And I like to spend my time doing makeup. Lately it's been really quick, mostly because I'm living out of a makeup bag, like not my full collection, but Look how fluffy these are. I definitely have to come down. This would be, can you imagine me with this lashes like this? This is an 83 Siren lash. But my point is that I want to try lashes and see if I can incorporate into my routine like sometimes. I don't think it would ever be a daily thing for me, especially because I don't know. I feel like it's just not like part of the Florida lifestyle. I feel like outside in the water. I don't know. Maybe it's just that summer. But next up, I thought it said Pretty Poop. Pretty Pop Saturday Skin Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This is made with their CHA7 complex, an exclusive peptide formula. I do like peptides. So this is a cream moisturizer for your face. I do like this brand. Like, everything I've tried from it. I've tried another, like the Glacier cream I really liked, but I've never tried this one. The Pretty Poop. Can you imagine if that was like the next big thing? Like CBD, like now. Like, we're gonna put some rooster poop on us. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up. Where did rooster poop come from? Next up, this is the Lifestyle Company. I actually really like something we got from them. I think this is from them. It's a sage spray. Is this from them? I don't know. Does it even? Oh yeah, it says it really small on there. Or like old lady eyes can't really read it, but I do like them. But anyways, hi Emmy. This is their bamboo body polish. So, oh cool, you use this in the shower. I could use something like this. I like to exfoliate. I'm guessing this is an exfoliating thing. A polish. Yeah, massage in a circular motion, focusing on rough areas. Yeah, but I like to use this before I shave my legs. I feel like I get a really close shave, and my skin's really soft, even if I don't shave. So awesome. I'm actually liking the random things we're getting. The last up, though, it's a shampoo and conditioner, which I don't mind, and it's CBD. You know, that was in our hair care. Oh, Emmy's rubbing against the tripod. Tree by Use Me. 1 and 2. So there's a shampoo and CBD and condition and CBD. They are hydrating, so daily hydrating shampoo and an intense hydration and repair conditioner. I'm actually excited to get this because when I first got to my new place, I couldn't find any shampoo. I'm like, I know I've got some somewhere. And I've now dyed my hair like strawberry blonde / ginger, and I could probably use some more of like hydration and repair for my hair since it was been a long time before I used any chemicals on it and stuff, but now I plan to keep up with it. So I'm not mad at this. And that's it. So what I think my favorite things, it's still scared me. When people leave the apartments, like I can't hear anyone talk usually at all, like or any noises, but when the front door is like pretty loud. You get used to it, but not when it's silent. Like I don't have music on or anything. But anyways, the palette I'm excited about. I just like get the most excited about makeup. Like let's get real. Like that's probably why we all subscribed to Boxycharm, at least in the beginning. But this one I knew would be a mix of things. I think for like the lifestyle things, I kind of am interested in this immunity blend thing. I'll look into it. Lashes. I mean, MAC I probably shouldn't even use. I need to look into cruelty-free stuff again because I know there like all these things came out with China, like whenever I talked about this. Body polish, yeah, definitely not my favorite looks, but I'm really excited about what I do like in here. And there's nothing I hate or like I'm pissed about, or well, I don't really get pissed that easily. There's nothing that's disappointing to me, I guess. Like, normally I'd be like, oh, lip scrub, but like, I don't think I honestly have any. And like, how cute and fun is this little rainbow tin thing? There's gonna be a lot of lip scrub. So I get everything. I'm just taking a glance. Whoa, that contour palette's $60, but it is huge. There's 8 huge pans. The Saturday Skin whipped cream thing is $57. The lashes are $18. The Rare Beauty palette's $25. I think that's a fair price for a palette. I mean, it's small, but like, it's Selena Gomez's brand. She could have jacked that price up for her little fans, you know? Like, they'd buy anything. Whoa, the hair care products are $66, that duo. The lip scrub's $16, and the bamboo body polish is $49. Damn, and the defense drop's $35, so the total is definitely high. I do have my phone right here, actually. Lately, I haven't been really calculating the prices because normally I just don't really care. I'm like, is that, I don't know. For me, we all pay, what, like $50, and we know we're getting at least $200 or something? I don't know. A lot, but I feel like I always get my money's worth, even if I don't like everything, but it's all subjective. I'm just curious how much all this is, because those prices were high. Hey! Whoa, $326. That's a lot. That's a lot. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I would have liked like maybe one more makeup item though. But it's cool. I would love to know your thoughts. What did you get in your Boxyluxe? And I know I chose the Rare Beauty Palette, but I can't remember what else I chose. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Was it there 2 choices? What did you choose? And are you happy with your Luxe? And did you get your premium yet? I think I saw one YouTuber unbox their premium, but I think she's on the PR list, so she probably got it in PR. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I can't wait to hear what you think of my box and your box if you got Boxycharm. And if not and you want to subscribe, again, the link is down below. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.